YouTube, what's going on? Andrew Darling here, Mr. Darling 4. Let's unbox these AirPods 3. Get a quick first impressions. Here we go. Here are the brand new Apple AirPods 3. Let's get these bad boys open really quickly. Take off this plastic piece. Apple trying to be more environmentally savvy. MagSafe charging case. Designed by Apple in California. Assembled in Vietnam. Designed by Apple in California. What stickers do we have? AirPods. How to pair them. A bunch of warranty stuff. Move that out the way. And here are the new AirPods. Here's the case. Let's take it out of the case. Just push it out this way. Set that to the side. And they are already in there. And that's pretty much it. I think there is a cable underneath it. So that's what we have here. Move this out of the way. Put these down here just to see. All right, so what do these look like? They are interesting. Shorter stem than the prior model. Actually, I think they go on the opposite side as well of the case. Could be wrong. And just to prove that I'm wrong, let's grab an AirPods version 2. All right, so this is the right AirPod. This is the right AirPod. This is the left one. Here is the left one. Size difference in the case. Obviously, this is more of a AirPods Pro style case, the new one. Green light on the front. This also has the MagSafe, the wireless charging. This is just the basic wired AirPods 2 case. Got to charge via Lightning. Also via Lightning. And yeah, pretty much it. The hinge here is definitely much more robust than the older one. Either way, we'll set these here like so. Here are the right AirPods. Take a look at them. Here's the difference. See the difference in size in the stem. Looking here at the bottom. Actually, it's not a piece that comes off. That's just how it's designed. So there's a piece here for control as well on the new ones. That was not there. The older style was essentially just messing with the side of the AirPod. If you look here, it's supposed to be a more fuller sound. Should be fun. So that's the right version there. And here's the left version. Same process. We'll take a look at, just see where the differences are. Very interesting. Very interesting here. You can see where the sort of speakers are larger. The microphone here at the bottom is not open. Looks like it's going to be more designed to capture specifically your sound instead of just the process by which everything around you is hearing and noise canceling. So I'm excited. We will see what the heck comes of this. So we'll move the new ones here out of the way, get the old ones out of the way. Here are the new ones. Here is the new case. And we will get these out of the way. So there they are, guys. AirPods 3. We'll take a look at them and see how they look in the ears now. Here's the old version of the AirPods, AirPods 2. Much longer stem. They seem to sit a little bit deeper in the ear. The newer version, the AirPods 3, much shorter stem. They seem to fill up more of the outer ear with spatial audio and whatnot. You can definitely tell the difference here when you look at them side by side. Next, I'm just going to cover up how we pair them. We're going to pair them to our iPad Mini 6. Here we go. Just a quick setup process here. All right, so we can tap. And we're done. That's it. That's the joy of setting up Apple products. There we go. Mr. Darling's AirPods. Welcome back. This is going to be the end of my AirPods 3 video. I got them in right now. they seem to sit pretty well. I never had an issue with AirPods 2 and how they sat in the ear. Stem was obviously a little bit longer, but these seem to fit fine. You can definitely feel the difference in the spatial audio, as far as it feels like it's a richer, fuller sound. There's definitely more bass in these. I like not having the AirPods Pro tips on them. That's the reason I didn't buy the AirPods Pro. I just never did like them. I haven't messed too much with the controls yet. As far as in the stems here, you'll be able to see there's the little gripper spot right there on the stems. But it's gonna be a little bit different getting used to spinning them in the case the other way and kind of getting them seated in the ear properly. But I mean, overall, listen, guys, I like them. I don't like a bigger case, but I get it. It is what it is. So that's a quick unboxing, first look, initial first impressions of the sound. Listen to a little bit of hip hop, listen to some podcasts, a little bit deeper, or I should say a little more depth on the podcast, as far as just hearing the actual quality of the audio a little bit better. So other than that, guys, look, I appreciate it. Let me know if you want me to do more of these videos. I'm looking like a wild man here. I haven't shaved in a while. I haven't even trimmed up stuff for a while. So like I said, I am a full-time attorney. I am a full-time football coach, a high school football coach. So let me know what you think in the comments. You want to see more videos? I should have something related to the iPad Mini 6 coming soon. Smack the D-brand skin on there. Let me know what you think. Take care. Leave your comments. What do you guys think? You guys going to go out and get the AirPods 3? Take care. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. Talk to you soon. Have a good one.